You always have to have these, like...
Dude, they're actually really good.
Yeah, I mean, this is the second time I bought them. Roasted pepper hummus, pretzels with spinach dip. It gets better. This is the most expensive of them all, the receipt.
This is a lot healthier than what you were eating yesterday.
Smell my fingers.
That's a sick wheel color for a stock wheel.
I agree, I like that wheel.
Take out the BMW wheel.
Drake's logo.
Why would you put Drake's logo?
Because Ted loves Drake.
BMW M2.
First time.
Oh, what is that?
Cool. And these three little things, they put the M colors.
Totally see someone doing that.
They like the light blue, the dark blue, and the red. And it looks like trash.
So we're tinting this BMW M2 Photo Sync 30 on all the side windows and the back window. So it's gonna look really good. But yo, I need to show you guys this car. This color is sick. This color is really sick. Like, it's almost like a Nardo gray, but it's not.
Do not disrespect Hockenheim silver like that.
Nobody cares.
Not a fanboy.
It kind of looks like Nardo gray. It's a little bit more silvery. It has more metallic flake to it, but this is a really cool color if you're trying to get BMW and you want something like a Nardo gray. This is definitely the color to go with. Definitely need to see this color in person. Can't really tell how it looks in camera, but I'm pretty sure it is not doing this color justice.
Competition underneath M2.
That is cool. I like that. I like how you can feel the texture.
I don't.
You don't like that?
No.
I think that's so cool.
I think it's the worst part.
I mean, I could see that, but I think it's also really cool because it's different.
Brand new Hockenheim silver M2 comp in today. Same engine as the M3 and M4. We're tinting it right now, as you can see. Top of the line, quality, everything. It says competition right there because it was 0.2 of a second slower around Laguna Seca than a new Supra. Blue stitching, Alcantara everywhere. Beautiful paint job. Beautiful man working on it as well.
Would you just look at that? Would you just look at it? Hey, look, f you.
So this is the heart of the beast. Take this cap off. That's what internal combustion smells like. It actually smells really good. Regular M2, the front end is different. The headlights are different. The front end's not nearly as aggressive.
Wait, there's a regular M2?
Different engine, same transmission.
We got the Urus hood back, so let me show you what it looks like. Boom, that looks pretty good. I'm really happy with how that came out. So you guys saw this before. The whole hood was carbon fiber, and what we've done is we color matched most of the hood to the same color as the car, which is this metallic gray that you see here. However, in the middle, we kept the carbon fiber exposed as well as on the side here. So it's a nice little accent piece, which is really cool. And my favorite part is how we kept the carbon fiber exposed on the edge here all the way to the end. It's a nice little detail. The cool thing with having the hood mostly painted the same color as the car and just keeping the vents carbon fiber is now that this whole hood just looks OEM now. It looks like an upgraded option you can get from Lamborghini. And I'm really happy with how accurate we got the hood to match the fenders and the rest of the car. It looks spot on. Just because this is metallic, it is gonna be difficult. So you may remember the previous vlog, we removed the chrome pieces off this Model X to paint them satin black, but we're also wrapping the entire Model X in satin guards. You guys know what that means? This gloss black is gonna be that nice, really cool matte satin translucent black. So we have the hood and the fender done, as you can see. You kind of see like a little before and after, so obviously the bumper is not done yet. You can see the progression. And in case you guys want to have an idea what satin black vinyl looks like, compare satin guard on a black car. So it looks very similar. Biggest difference that I noticed is that the vinyl looks more ripply than satin guard. It looks like a black orange peel. Versus satin guard, which is right here, doesn't really have that ripply texture. Is way more concentrated in the vinyl. That's just something to kind of keep in mind. Alright guys, we're done.
We just finished up on this M2 competition.
So I want to show you guys what the tint looks like. So we did Photo Sync 30 on all the side windows and the back window. Gives you a little bit of privacy, which is great, but it's still legal for Texas. But the best part is the heat rejection is awesome. Color of the tint looks really good with, what is this called? Hakaku? With this Hockenheim silver.
Hockenheim silver.
Hockenheim silver. Silver. That's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here for a video recommended just for you. Down here for a news video, and up here to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.
We're trying to see if it'll balance in your hair.
Can you stop? Oh! Hey Will, I hope you know you have to clean that up.
He goes back.